Hey guys, Denise Divine here with another pranayama. This one to help us lift our moods and feel lighter and brighter. This is great to do anytime you're feeling heavy, stagnant, dull, dense. Some of you have heard of Kapalabhati, and it is a very fiery breath. In the Kundalini yoga practice, we call it breath of fire. They're not exactly the same. One engages a deeper muscle around the navel point. One is really working more in the diaphragmatic area. So one's a little lower, one's a little higher. If you're new to this, you may not even notice the difference at first. So when there's heaviness coming in, we want to create a little bit of warmth in the body, and we brighten our moods. So to learn it, act like you're blowing out a candle. Take in a breath. See my navel? Now, word of caution, this is not bellows breath. This is not Bastrika where we're literally going. Don't do that. That's not pleasant right now. This is more of a quick, sharp exhale. The inhale will come. We're not going to forget to inhale. And it looks like this. I'm going to do it through the nose. My shoulders are not going up and down. There's just a movement through the body. I have really strong abdominal muscles, and so they're really snapping back. When you first practice, you might be more like, go slow. There is no need to go fast. Maybe someone who's been practicing it for a while can just sit there casually and great for them. For you, starting off, do not get into this. No, it's very quick. Put all of your concentration into the exhale. Want to add a little more fire, a little more upliftment? Lift your arms. Maybe squeeze the fingers, pull the thumb back, lift the heart. Make another mudra. Hands overhead, touch the thumbs, form like a little shield. Lift up and exhale. Do that for a couple of minutes. You'll feel a lot lighter. Namaste.